What's going on, guys? Bluegill here, and today we are bass fishing and bluegill fishing. Same lake where I fished with the kayak, so hopefully we get some bluegill. We didn't forget the worms this time, so hopefully get some bass too, some nice smallmouth, a little bit bigger ones. I know there's a lot of smaller ones, but hey, that's good, new generation. So let's get on the water and see if we can catch any nice sized fish and any giant bluegill. So let's go. Small. Fighting though, really good. Smally. Nice fish on for bluegill. Bend it. I don't know if I should keep him or. Jesus. I swallowed it. Oh God. Doesn't matter. We're gonna keep him anyways. Come on. Guys. These are smaller fish. Hit it twice. Oh my God, he mutilated this thing. There we go. Now, that's a nicer one. He took my tail off. Nice smallmouth, guys. Measure him. Just to measure him. Oh God. 14-incher. Nice. Nice blue. I don't know if it's a blue. Oh yeah. I don't know if he's keeper or now throw him back. That was bigger. Yep. No, I got it.
No, I'm saying though, did you get it on that one?
Oh yeah. Yeah, throw back. It's small. Guys. Nicer one. Ooh. They're small. Well, I'm gonna say about 10. Nah, I don't know. Going on, guys. Whoa. This is a nice bass. He's hooked good. He's hooked really good. Nice. Whoa. There we go, guys. That's a nice largie. Really nice. Let me get him unhooked. Oh, he's hooked perfect. On the top there. The hook came out. Let's measure him. 16.5-incher. Really nice. Really nice. Alright, guys. Let's release the nice 16.5-incher. There we go. Nice. Ultralight bending in a U. This be a really big bluegill. Oh yeah. Really nice bluegill.
There you go. What's that?
Do you want to keep him or?
Yeah, that one.
Alright. Keeping him, guys. Nice one. Really nice one. Let me see, measure him real quick. Not 8.5-inch fat bluegill. Ooh. I don't know what this is. I don't want the knot to break. Catfish. No shitting way. A big bullhead. That's a brown bullhead right there, kids. Alright. Oh, I don't want to spike me because I know how those some bitches are. That's freaking cool. I was in the... Yeah. There we go, guys. Bullhead. That's a brown bullhead. Oh, I hooked him right in the gum. The gum, you know, the corner gum? Oh my god, I'm dead. Measure this son of a bitch. 12. There you go, guys. Nice other fish on the ultralight. That's a nice bluegill. I'll release him. Gonna release him. He's actually probably a keeper, but it's gonna got some big ones. That's a nice fish. Talk about I don't care receive it. You son of a bitch. Oh my god, you hooked good. That thing thumped it. Thumped it, guys. Wow. Guys, that'll be it for the day. Caught a nice bass, caught a nice bullhead, caught a couple bluegill, caught some smallmouth. It's a really good day. Mixed up with a species, a pickerel. And yeah, so that'll be it for the day. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.